through the streets of ancient lands, where children used to play and stand. Now mothers hold their little ones, praying for a brighter dawn. Ya Allah, hear our call for those who rise and fall. One ummah, one ummah, one heart beating for Palestine. Standing together, yours and mine. One ummah, we raise our hands in prayer tonight. Raise high until justice brings the morning light. La la la, we stand as one. La la la, till peace has won. Till peace has won. In the olive groves they grew, generations passing through. Now rubble where there once was home. Brothers, sisters, not alone. Ya Allah, show the way, show the way. Guide us as we pray. One ummah, one heart beating for Palestine. Beating, standing together, yours and mine. One ummah, we raise our hands in prayer tonight. Hands raised high until justice brings the morning light. Inshallah, we'll see the day when all our children freely play, when peace will reign and truth prevails. Our faith and hope will never fail. One ummah, one heart beating for Palestine. Beating, standing together, yours and mine. One ummah, we raise our hands in prayer tonight. Hands raised high until justice brings the morning light. Ya Allah, Ya Allah.